Sabi nga, if you wanna change your life, change your friends because your friends will be the biggest influence whether your life is gonna be stuck or drowning or going up. No? So let me qualify that also. Hindi naman porket nagpa-personal development ka na, hindi naman porket you're running after your goals na itatapon naman ng mga friends mo. But again, maybe para sa akin personally, you need to start taking a look at on noticing how much time do you allocate with different set of friends. No? Ako personally, I have a rule. I call it the 33, 33, 34%. What does it mean? No? 33% of my time or less, I spend it with people who I need to help, people who wants my help, people who will actually gain so much from my support because they wanna be at a certain level where they are not, and which means these are the people na nag-struggle pa sa buhay, nahirapan. I still wanna give my time, energy, and effort to help them, but not a lot of time. Why? Okay? Law of gravity. No? Let's be careful kasi if 100% of the time kasama mo yung mga talagang friends na puro victim, puro paawa, puro walang ginagawa sa buhay, talagang mahihila ka. No? Napansin mo ba yan pag may mga friends kang gano'n na hindi gano'n ka-aware, tapos puro negative pinag-uusapan, pag uwi mo ang bigat, very draining, tapos puyat-puyat ka, which means a lot of times when you spend really good amount of time with them, yung peace of mind mo nawawala kasi nga the way they think is really welcome abuse me, no, or victim ako ng buhay hanggang nagiging normal, nagiging natural, and I think that's not the way it should be, no. So that's the first 33%. The second 33%, you must take a look at on spending this with people who are side by side with you, no. So these are the people who can help you and you can also help because these are the people na pwede mong hingan ng tulong, no. At ito yung mga taong hihingi sa tulong, which means side by side, no? Close friends, but not more. Because again, if you want a big life, if you want to create the dreams that you want, maybe it's time for you to spend with people who do have the results that you want, who do have the success that you want, but also be very selective, no? I think it should be 34% or more. When it's selective, wag ka lang pumunta dito dahil mayaman siya. Okay? Isa lang tanong ko, itong tao ba ito, pagkasama ko, do I have a level 10? Hell yes. Emotion, feelings when I'm with them. What's a level 10 hell yes for me? Number one, pagkasama ka mo, I feel peace. Right? Which means, pag lumabas kami, okay, pag may bill, nag-aagawan kami kung sino magbayad, no? Hindi yung parang shit, lilibrin ko, papalibre na naman tong putang inang to, di ba? Itong hinayupak na ito, magpapalibre na naman. Hindi. Ito, lahat I can afford. No? Para sa akin, that's peace. But more than that, really is, this person is all about giving. This person is all about sharing. This person is about expanding, which means purpose. Right? At syempre, masarap kasama yung taong marunong at pwedeng tulungan ka to bring more profit in your life. So ako, yan yung triple P, principle ko. But lastly, siguro passionate about life. Okay? And I'm glad that I'm able to surround myself with people who have higher standards than me, people who are more successful than me. But this is not just about success in terms of money, but these are success in terms of, they're peaceful, they're purposeful, okay, they're profitable, but above all, they're passionate about the game called life. So be selective with your friends because why? Choose your life, choose your friends. You want a big life? Change your friends.